Gyamfi, we are Kola. Go to hell. Because your case here, they are putting a court. Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot bribe me. Put me court. 10 million Ghana cedis. One board and the next one can one will be that. I'm when this in my mind, 10 million. We need chassis. What one I may back already. Mr. will be on the back of court today, and I never would die. Who calls so with me? Why not the make of court? Sammy Gyamfi, me, and my back. Militia. Well, Bolaro called me. My husband was here. I also recorded it. You are going about telling people you've given me money. When you say,
Untimi kujina baby and kuchantro family.
Oh, there.
Any matem.
Jaman uncle me with your baha.
You think I'm joking?
In your piece of
David, now I say media grow. David. Somebody, if you mean Niagrosa, you impugn my integrity, you call me names, you put it on social media, what's on radio soka. Now who communicate as the men now. Who say we are wrong, you didn't have the courtesy so you go back and correct it. Because he still feels to say assembly would that and mean die. Keke. Obin say we didn't die.
As some ways, it's a fact kind. I said he was a prophet. If you ask one, you'll be
hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH from them bros. Subscribe, share, me to my now what's up. If you are sure so ni Ghana, now if you are sure in some semi buyer, okay, can you master say some actual reports? And someone can yam na me kan, but say you could see if you are sure I can.
Monkaja Sammy Gyamfi resa mechiano. Ni kunu eguso talkers, my guess, will gone. Me qualist no. The member who said me qualist no. Me be friend me informant. Me friend me informant. Ekuma. Ya wad. Sammy Gyamfi girl no, we need no me refi safa send me. Ah, na fa listening you haba. Ah, fa send fa ni haba. Na try. Ni kuno no ya adwuma we le gon pa. O ya adwuma yie. Na ja ne ire no krade no beka. Na anu ya say ne ire ni nua vida so wa beto fie wo US. Ah, ne ire ni nua keto akra beto fie wo US nti we de e asante aka de.
If you say Sammy by allegedly, was talkers, what mama and all that, any defamation was in a year and a crack or bunk for forward next year and all that. I mean, some brave. Now, Sammy, who you know, maybe a lawyer. It makes some amount yet, Pastor Sam's are not in the court. 10 million defamation case. Near you know, a few also day into the mother, what was responsible. Young put here.
Kill Monganja Sammy Gyamfi Sammy me se kila nyede ontia. Come find me here now. Madonna will be framing also Sammy Gyamfi the make courts now. Sammy Gyamfi to start with address now the court on and ya hona meteo bronze. Obi bu some address na na me so me dia mano. Kilentia me the madwene mo nam. Enti mbajo address run say me ne wonka. Onu ubenya asem. Ghana ho. Sammy Gyamfi oye. So we a lawyer ni. Emrane say he who comes with equity must come with clean hands. Sammy Gyamfi, yet one abetna national TV and you lied against a certain vice president, Sammy Gyamfi. You told the whole Ghana that a company called Haptel is for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Sammy Gyamfi, how far now can you defend that? Or be the work of baby for defamation? Sammy Gyamfi, can you defend your salary? Can you defend it? 7 months in the cars in the can you defend it? Sammy Gyamfi, you walk around with dollars, with bags of dollars in your car. We saw the video. And that's $1 and that's show bottom na ibio. Now a bag mu and I would dip your hands into bag full of dollars. And I would see me now can over $2,000-3,000. And I would demand evangelist mama part. Can you defend it? 7 months in the cars now at Otono. Can it match your salary? Because we've got a lot of questions to ask each other. And to the make courts now I could default judgments now heading. Mini capre wunya be. Sammy Gyamfi with my full chest. So how they can tell at the end or soon in Kewremu. Me no judgments no so sana be. Now my young idea Sammy Gyamfi asem. Go to hell. Messi said they can tell at the end I can't default judgment. Congratulations, where we need case no. Me case here where we need. Mini capel Ghana won't put now we need wafa. Mini won't tell. Mini jabadio. Mini Sammy Gyamfi mini property mini. And congratulations, co we need case no. But said they can tell at the end or so long camera mobile. Sammy Gyamfi so kind meet way. Mammy be able to say. Sammy Gyamfi, what kind meet way? Meeting when I go promise it was a fungal, I'm saying. What kind? Sammy Gyamfi, what kind meeting way? Ah? What kind meeting way? Meeting I call was a promise it was some mobile mama to galam saying. Sammy Gyamfi, what kind meeting way? What they may tell? Maybe you want that. I said, what they won't grow up. Me a fierce nigga. The last person you people can threaten is me. If you want my address, bring me $100,000. I will personally give you my address. The one you stated. Something you have to say me. May use him of you. Catch on, say. Said your man, you Kevin Taylor, you know. If you're sure. Supreme Court Benjamin. Sammy Gyamfi, let me sound this warning to you. Stop telling Bolare and Pato that's me who this man. Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot bribe me. See? Stop telling Bolare. Sammy Gyamfi, stop telling Bolare and my cousin Pato that you have given me money. Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot bribe me. We are Kola. I don't take stolen money. I don't. The reason why you told Bolare you've given me money, God punish your mouth. I do not take stolen money. Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot bribe me. And why are you sending money for me? Why are you telling Bolare that I have given Asumasi money to go and give it to a fear? Massa, because it is what it is. You are going about telling people you have given me money. Who to me court? Well, when Bolare called me, my husband was here. I also recorded it. You are going about telling people you've given me money. When you say, me, can you bribe me? Can you bribe me? I have fear crying. Me master and sister tell Jimmy, respect yourself. Me Jimmy. We are not mates. I am your senior sister. Respect yourself. Those people that you give money to, they are not me. Sammy Gyamfi, the people that will take money from, it's not you. And stop spreading lies about me. Stop. You made Bolare called me, and Bola said that. Stop it. Stop it right there. What to me call? Told me I'm so wamamiska. What the meaning I'm Crawford so wamamisika? Can you defend that? Irene, you yes say I get a lot of court cases, so no be one. A be anyone member. I will not even also spend a penny on it. Yes, I've got a lot of court cases. A be anyone member. And I will not even spend 100 Ghana cedis on it either. Like, I'm not gonna give it attention. Like, I don't have time for childish behaviors. I do not have time for childish behaviors. Why not they make a court as a major film? Me and my Minishi. Or no, I'm catchable. I race one mamiska. I bravo mamiska. One more to me be any caremu. $8. Number $80. Mini childish. Congratulations, Sammy Gyamfi, you've won the case. Let's see how you get the 10 million. we catch up last year no one tiana. Me so obi odi me be court bi anyame ma wudwa. Wo konso akowini. Sika na be wini ne kwan a wo be fa so a wo be je no. Eno ene me your friend me fear sika be didi. Congratulations. Let's see how you win a dime from a fear. Congrats. Make sure I want no lawyer so no. Over crying how kwa for video you change judge and say me say me enter defense me we see will be a time. Congratulations, Sammy Gyamfi, you've won 10 whatever 10 million Ghana cedis. Go and win the case. Go win the case. No. One cardboard, one father, one until me probably me buy you. Me file taxes me masa boka. Na buy us man kakra. This a gold bond no. O fa me money me enu adwuma. Na ni o wutua wo mo ka na o say wo ti bi mo na wo te wo mo ma me ka no. Sasa na Bible mu tie. Bible mu ma me pa akwa bi de ka no. Si afa ne ma no. Ya fa ne ma no kwankwaso mu. E say ya che mo de me ma no kotina gold bond ho. Uwi anu wa wi akakra mo mo. Uwi anu wa wi akakra. Na wa tete. Friday you are not getting from me. Can't you see I'm shaking? Sammy Gyamfi make a ade. Me nyan start here. Magic chemo papa. Magic chemo. Said ye na no ye no. Sa na ne be ye. Eh, Sammy Gyamfi say obi timi kan wan say man ko court. Hey, na timi she court ni tie be twan trot ba gumi aso. Any na do mo so no. I'm sorry for your life. Many who dey here we make sure I want to mebo. Catch Fafa say me the clients no person defend them. See I me no can say me your life. My congratulations Sammy Gyamfi say no co-appearance me enter. Oh winning. Aye, me your life my catcher this see I say congratulations. My card change the more what on the client you know. Me nim the mo 10 million no my congratulating no. We have say Sammy Gyamfi we need 10 million. They no budget.
I assembly the eboboba be na me nyeti me videos in the castle. Ewi ase ese wo we F1 san wa hwonsa. Karma is real. Eboboba ebeba. Ye kai say Sefa kind of Peace FM. Only Sammy Gyamfi nya assembly. Ye Sammy Gyamfi time na no owo opposition. On the year current way. Na otimi kan assembly pa. Haptel company no say a vice president there actually who ye na nya ne dia. Osaka assembly about scrum Sefa kana obasi on Sefa kan assembly. But see a question ba ne ba make.
Sammy Gyamfi pede on my studio.
Chama you know.
Yes.
Share.
Enta mi bisa pede wa.
Sa apumbo ko de.
Media me ho ye. But wa mani ha.
Gano nkomo ya na de adu.
Sa. Me minya nka woni dem ha.
Oh, David Jama Menkasa.
Many bresem.
Menkasa.
David. Minya ya nka you are not on the show.
Menkasa.
David, ampa asempa na me ka cho. Intia hawa nka free so.
Ampa chama kukufu ne
untimi nko gina bebe enko twantro fa me ho.
Oh, David.
Enni matem.
Chama na nko we di abaha.
You think I'm joking?
Chama we nye Peace FM.
David, now I say media agro. David. Something if you mean nya grossa. You impugn my integrity. You call me names. You put it on social media. Uko radio soka. Now communicators the menam. You who say we are wrong, you didn't have the courtesy po. So you go back and correct it. And you get up and sit on my show with Maminka.
Chairman.
Maminka say because me honestly, I'm not happy you're here.
Chairman.
Because you cannot come onto the same platform. Odidi matem and now they come you wasem. I no crack. I no crack Maminka hon. But what do you mean now? And our communicators need the afa and ye di matem. Me catch real. You didn't bother to correct it, and it's been going. And I didn't. And what better on the same platform that you accuse me, you see to do what? To perpetrate fraud and hypocrisy.
Hey, Chairman. I think. And I
go for my ebony.
No, Chairman.
But and you have a barber from Chomekachin.
Chairman.
The uncle back to where he went.
The words I will use to name
one can say
things are all covered.
One guy hypocrisy
have never been my words.
One guy
you see, Chairman, to say the medical canon, we don't have to engage in this on this particular show.
That is why I'm surprised you're sitting here.
We are offended that, you know, I've already told you in a private conversation.
But I told you that don't tell me in private.
What's it?
You should have gone back to where you said.
You bet me this uncommon. I don't think so.
No, but
we should use this program to settle scores and all that.
Unfortunately for you, Sammy, sorry. Unfortunately, I'm not using my program to settle scores.
Okay.
What could go me hushi? What can some of them when you no credit? And our communicators, the men, I mean, ye dimatem. I drew your attention to it. You did nothing about it. The only other opportunity I mean, me show. Since even I can go for you to come here and sit on this show, I am me and coming to me because I need show. So I'm surprised about you want to kind of like sweep it aside. Yes, but Obia Niha, what could my temple baby? Oh, now what coming one summer and you know, from now my catcher said, now my catcher said, I can see, sir, you see, Chairman, you are my senior brother. You called me and I told you, said, if, and I told you, said, go back to where you said it. And apologize for it. No problem. But why you also have a time and say, I'm using my show to settle scores.
Yet,
if I'm sure settle scores.
Yet, once here, you near watching you. We mean your opinion. I can see from the way you're talking, they say you're not happy.
I am not. And I don't want to hide it.
It's very sorry for that. They were kind of why? Mr.
Politicians.
But Chairman, me pe push that so.
Sit then.
I can't say when you be saying your so.
I'm sure on tokwa. But I mean you bring some. So, but in Kawuye we wouldn't get here.
No problem, Chairman.
In I wouldn't get here.
Chairman, so the area.
General Kafra, sorry. Yeah. Now I feel so officially, no. Say letter be grand abetro.
Oh, go me letter. The person me letter. But I was on no. Honestly, contrite heart on pacho. Me letter.
Ah, okay.
Maza. You know how long I've worked for my name? You have no idea.
Sammy, it will be the best thing.
This is the only name I have.
Say,
Gogofu, oh yeah, no. Say, on kind of try and carry. I'm not standing to social media.
And then, Chairman,
and the communicators did not.
If I'm going to social
media. And I'm a friend, and I'm catching say, I could be a person bonidi. We did my term more than 5 years. My imagination, I mean, Casano.
Yeah.
Or Dimitri Radio. I know Fania all kind. I know the Dimatem. And I go for recording nobody sending me a frame. I'm saying, that's how I gave you my hand. What have I done to this guy? You and I have a very perfectly mutually respectful relationship. And then when you realize your mistake, you still refuse to go back there and apologize. And they kept running with it. But you sit here and you make it seem as if you're cool. Master, who did you politics no lawyer? Me Chairman General me did you. Ain't me say me dia. I don't know.
Chairman, my
you've impugned my integrity. Obi and you mean you. Sure. After you heard what you were saying wasn't true. I had no crank, me mum, me free aircraft 3 months member. But you lied about me.
Which is painful.
Very painful. You lied about me. Mankasa nyamiana mewa. Bedi me twin. Mankasa nyamiana mewa.
So or patch indirectly or how about me or person come back to air now or
well that he's on already
discuss someone
for him
you see why I said he should walk out of my studio because he still feels to say assembly that into me die keke obi say udin da ho I know
assembly is a fact kind no I say he was a prophet. Ewiase wa ho nya obedi an obetwa ewiase Then you baby abika. Because I said we buy no. Sammy Gyamfi, who anybody pa any sefakai. Sefakai so frail catch us say. I said na who can you say a wrong what's there? I know say wrong, but I'll say it. Sammy, and the one who say yetimi defame obi. Ah. Now we dey na conform some na can now him say the bedus also. Then be I say the young guys of today. Ye kasa ye hwe yi. Because what you say today, it will be applicable to you in the next future. And the year Sammy, baby, I would say, or crop be a super, what I gonna go now. So, who need the packet to work? But and then, if you can't some of the girls, Kakano, who was who defame me? Defamation in there, and their family home. Now, me buy fiance, if you are so massa, or be really girls at home. Me say, there be a make up, me see, or Bema, the only sika, girls, that's all right. What to talk as check now the BCC9. I am normal. It will be real girls, sir. What is your beef? If you are mommy for you way, who will be for you way out could bet you we. Why are the Casaye? Obian Casa. Now, some real market now. We shouldn't do that because if we are still one, Obian and Hobetono. It is so when you're scaling or real girls now. Man, what I say? Number 2, Sammy, where there the part of defamation. If you are or USO, the defamation is all 7 or say let a number buy and you not say. Book an apartment number 7. Minimum Sammy catch her if you are so every days. It wouldn't so work or talk a dear mobilia if I mention a drop it. As near baby fear chairman. Yeah, Messi, I expose you, but yes, a witchy, the baby and Vermount. And no.
Hello, keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.